Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon Associates reporting with Amazon Seller Central. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log in to your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the main dashboard once you're logged in. Look for the Reports tab in the top menu. Hover over the Reports tab to reveal a drop-down menu. Click on Advertising Reports from the drop-down options. On the Advertising Reports page, select Create Report. Choose the type of report you would like to generate. For Amazon Associates, select Performance to track your affiliate metrics. Fill in the date range for the report. Choose the specific time frame that fits your needs. Next, select the desired report format, such as CSV or Excel. Click on the Generate Report button to initiate the process. Once the report is generated, it will appear in the report queue. Refresh the page after a few moments to see if the report is ready. Once your report appears in the queue, click on the Download button. Open the downloaded file to access your Amazon Associates data. Review the report to analyze your affiliate performance. Make note of any key metrics that are important for your strategy. Use this information to optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.